High above the world, the clouds swirl and glimmer. It's very quiet at first, with only wisps of mist curling in the sunlight. Suddenly, with a thunderous roar, a colossal black dragon slices through the fog. This is Ignis, strong and fierce, with shimmering blue scales and fire in his eyes. On his back, brave Ilara grips her sword tightly. She's not afraid, though her heart beats fast. Today is their biggest challenge yet. Nearby, floating like a castle in the sky, Kalen commands his giant, steam-powered airship. His long coat flaps in the wind, and he raises his fist high. "Loose the chains," he cries, and his crew obey at once. 50 harpoons thunder out, trailing heavy iron chains that twist and snap through the clouds, all aiming for Ignis. The air fills with whistling metal and shimmering sunlight. Ignis glides and dives, twisting so fast that the harpoons barely graze his wings. Ilara clings to his back, eyes searching for danger. "He's too fast," shouts one of the scrambling pilots on another ship as Ignis zips by with a mighty flap, nearly flipping their vessel. One chain hooks around Ignis's leg, pulling tight. Ilara leans down, slicing through the chain with her blade. Sparks fly. "Dive, Ignis! Dive!" she shouts, and the dragon swoops, nearly touching the roaring ocean below. The water explodes with spray beneath them, and salt mist fills the air. Soldiers on the small attack boats stare up in horror as Ignis's huge claw sweeps down, snapping the boat's mast like a twig. Above, Kalen is not finished. He grabs a huge ballista, aims by hand, and fires. Wham! A monstrous spear rockets upward, grazing Ignis's shoulder. Blue blood sparkles and mist curls around them as the dragon screeches in pain. Ilara holds on tight, buckling her harness. "Hold it together," she urges. Ignis climbs into the thick gray clouds, hiding from the enemy below. On the flagship's bridge, the crew watches nervously as the radar blips flicker. "Did we hit him?" their officer whispers. Suddenly, Ignis bursts above the flagship, like a shadow falling from the sun, and plummets downwards. He lands on the metal hull, bending steel with his weight. The whole ship shudders. Ilara slides down his wing, hitting the deck with both swords drawn. 3 soldiers rush at her. She ducks, parries, spins, and kicks, all in a flash faster than lightning. She's almost magic, like she dances with her swords. Ignis rears his mighty head and unleashes a stream of blue lightning breath on the ship's enormous cannon. It melts to a puddle in seconds. Dozens of reinforcements pour onto the decks. Ilara is surrounded. She stares up at Ignis. "Ignis! The tail!" she cries. With a mighty swing, Ignis whips his tail, sending a whole row of soldiers flying. Kalen watches through the bridge window, his ship crumbling beneath him. He grabs a strange glowing rifle, a weapon of red, magical energy. On the deck, Ilara spots him. Their eyes meet, a challenge, a warning. Kalen fires from the balcony. The red beam scorches the deck where Ilara stood just a moment before. She rolls away, dust swirling. Seeing his friend in danger, Ignis leaps from the rooftop and springs toward Kalen. Kalen fires again, but Ignis opens his mouth, catching the red beam and swirling it into a ball of blue lightning. Deep below, the overloaded energy surges through the flagship's engines. They glow snow white, ready to burst. Ilara runs and jumps, trusting Ignis. He catches her gently in midair, and together they soar upward and away. Behind them, the entire flagship erupts into a bright, fiery sphere. The sky shimmers with golden flames. Victorious, Ignis and Ilara fly on toward the setting sun, ready for another adventure. Just 2 friends against the world, their courage brighter than any magic.